Okay, so here today we'll see how to create an account group and how to create a member range and how to do the PDP, partner determination procedure. Then only we can able to create customer with our own data. So previously we have used standard account group which has been SAP has been created. SAP itself it is created, right? But we'll learn how we are going to create a proper customer with our own details. Okay. So if you want to create a proper customer, then we need to create these three steps. Okay, account group, number range, and PDP. So if you want to create an account group, the T code is OBT0 and number range is XDN1 and PDP is for VOPN. Okay. So we'll create an account group first. So the T code to create an account group is OBT0. Go to OBT0. Just a minute, it is logged out. Log in once. I hope everyone has purchased servers and practicing. Just do practice, otherwise you don't understand what we are discussing in that lesson. Whatever we are going to discuss today, so you need to be practice today itself or in the morning sessions and practice. Okay. So first we'll create an account group. The T code to create account group is OVT0. So OVT0 is a T code, or else you can use path as well. So whatever you are comfortable, you can use. Okay. So I have used T code. Okay, what is the T code? You can check that the transaction code is OVT0, right? Or else, so if you don't remember this path, I mean, you have forgotten this T code, then you can use this path as well. So for this one only, OVT0 only, I'm just showing the path. Okay? And T code is a shortcut, right? So this is a path. SPRO, reference IMG, and then go to the logistics general. So logistics and general, scroll down, you can see the logistics and general and expand it. And after these, you can see business partner, or your business partner, and next customers, and next control, and then define account group and field selection for customer. Okay. Define account groups and field selection for customers. And you need to click on this IMG activity, clock symbol. Then it will open same screen. You can see, if you click on here, it will show you the T code as well. You can see OVT0. So either you can use the path or you can use the T code as per your comfort. Okay. So now here we are in OVT0 T code, I mean account groups. So here we are having some standard account groups. Okay. So before account group, so we need to understand partner functions. So we are having four types of partner functions. One is sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. Four types of account groups we are having. Okay. So you won't understand what is mean by account group. So if I explain all these four account groups, then you will understand. Okay. So we are having four types of account group: sold to party, ship to party, payer, and bill to party. And these are all the standard account groups. For sold to party, the standard account group is 0001. For ship to party, the standard account group is 0002. And for bill to party, the standard account group is 0004. And for payer, the standard account group is 0003. Okay. So what is mean by sold to party? So sold to party is nothing but, so whoever the customer will place an order to company, so that customer we call it as a sold to party. For example, you want to purchase iPhone. Okay, so you have placed an order in Amazon. That means you are the sold to party because you have placed an order to company, right? So you are the sold to party. Okay. And ship to party. Ship to party is nothing but he is the customer to whom we going to do the delivery. So in this scenario also, you are the person who will receive the delivery, right? So after placing an order and you will receive the delivery, okay? Then you call it as a ship to party. Okay, so why we are going to maintain all the sold to party, ship to party and bill to party and payer means here. So in some scenarios, all these four partner functions are one customer only, right? So in some scenarios, in other scenarios, so we'll have different customers for different partner functions. Okay. So we need to identify them. Okay, so sold to party means who will place an order. We called him as a sold to party. Ship to party means who will receive the delivery. So him we call it as a ship to party. And payer means who is going to pay the bill. Okay, so he is the customer who will make the payment. So him we call it as a payer. And bill to party means so he is the customer who will receive the bill. Okay. So these are all the SAP terminologies. Okay, sold to party means so we need to identify, right? So if you go to any customer, you can able to see those account groups. Then we can able to understand sold to party is a different customer, ship to party is a different customer. Some scenarios will have sold to party, ship to party is the one customer, and bill to party and payer are different customers. Right. So for example, I will give one example. For example, you want to purchase something for your brother or for your mother. Okay. So you are at your other place and she's in other place. Then what you will do? So just assume that so you are in Hyderabad.
Bro,
Hello.
వాయిస్ ఎక్కడ అవుతుంది?
Voice break out. Okay. Now it's clear. Still it is breaking.
Yeah. No, it's clear.
It's clear, right? Okay, all right. So in some scenarios, so now what you will do? So you are in another place and brother is another place. Now what you will do? You will place an order, right? But you are in different location. So you are the different customer. For example, you are the customer one. Just assume that you are the one customer, and the second customer is ship to party. For example, ship to party is a different customer. So based on these account groups or partner functions, so these are all the partner functions. Okay. So based on these four partner functions, we can identify which customer is involving in these four different activities. Okay, so based on this, we can identify. So who is place an order, who is receiving the bill, right? So who is receiving the delivery, who is paying the cash, right? So we can identify these based on this partner functions. Okay, these are all the partner functions. Okay, and these partner functions we are having some account groups as well. So these are all the account groups. 0001 is a standard account group for the sold to party. Ship to party is 0002 is the standard account group. For payer, the standard account group is 0003, and bill to party, the standard account group is 0004. Okay. So here, while creating customer, we need to decide what type of customer he is. Does this customer is a sold to party? Does this customer is a ship to party? Does this customer is a payer? Does this customer is a bill to party? So you need to maintain. Okay, so what customer you are going to create? So if your customer is a sold to party, then you need to create an account group, sold to party account group. Okay, so and while creating customer also, you need to select that sold to party account group only. Then only the system will, I mean, that customer will identify as a sold to party customer. So directly you have created one customer by using sold to party, but you are trying to create another customer. I mean, you have taken another account group. Okay. Then it will propose error. So whatever the customers you have created for sold to party, you need to use for the sold to party customer scenario only. Okay. So I will show you how to create our own account groups by copying these standard ones. Okay. So in the same screen, OVT0 screen, you can see the standard account groups. 0001, 0002, and 0003, and 0004. So you need to decide what customer you are going to create. So you got a requirement that so they want to create one customer, just as you, okay? They want to create a customer of sold to party. Then what you will do? So you need to, while creating the customer, you need to select your sold to party account group. Okay, so I will show you. So now we'll create one account group. Okay, so I will just take an example of the sold to party. Just select this. Okay, so you need to click on these blank, then it will be highlighted in yellow. Okay, so now I have selected. Now click on copy. You can see copy as here. Just click on copy. Out again. So we'll go to OVT0, or you can use the path. Now we'll select the standard. So I'm just decided to create an account group of sold to party. So I have selected this and I have clicked on copy. Now you need to rename it. Just remove the 0001 and give your own account. So I have taken Z100 for the sold to party. Z100. Just click on enter. So someone have been already used the Z100. Okay. So you just need to enter it and you just need to save it. So no need to change anything here. Okay. So we'll take the same account group. So we need to remember these account groups throughout our syllabus, right? So that's why I'm not creating anything. But if you want to create, you can create it. So I will show you one example. Z100 is already there. Okay. So we'll just remove this description and we'll maintain sold to party. Okay. Z100 is for sold to party. Okay. So same line. So I will create for ship to party as well. Okay. Just take the standard 0002 and select and just rename it as Z200. Okay. So just give the description of ship to party. Party. You can maintain Z200. So like this, you can create your own partner functions. Okay. So I have taken these as an example. Okay. Okay. So I have created my account groups. Okay. So only I'll use this account group only. But while practicing, you need to create all these account groups, your own account groups, and you can practice. Okay. So now I will maintain our account group is for sold to party Z100. For ship to party, I have created Z200. So same like you can create for payer Z300 and for bill to party, you can create Z400. That's up to you. So now assume that my customer is sold to party. Okay. So the account group for sold to party is Z100. That we need to remember. So now Z100 is already there. So account group are also created. So after account group, what is the next one? Account group is done. Now we'll create member range. So if you create any customer, the customer numbers are proposing. So how the numbers are proposing? Okay. So that is based on the number ranges. Okay. The T code to create our number range is XDN1. XDN1 is a T code where we'll maintain number ranges. Okay. So we'll go to the XDN1 directly. Account group also created. Now number range will create /n. /n means it will take you to the home screen and it will run this program. So go to XDN1 and here we need to go to the change interval and you can see. So these are all the interval. These are all the number ranges. So here 01, if you maintain 01, then our customer numbers will be proposed between 1 to 50. So from number is 1 and 2 number is 50. And in our status means the current number range. Okay, 20. So already 20 numbers are used. The next number it will propose 21. So that is the NR status. Same like, so if you book a movie ticket in the theater, so it will show, right? So these tickets are booked. So how they have booking it? So how you can able to see it? So based on this NR status only, right? So these many seats are booked. So you can pick whatever the numbers you want to, I mean, whatever the seats available, you can pick randomly. Okay. So that concept we call it as an external number range. External number means, so you need to pick the number manually. So automatically means, so automatically it will generate the number based on this number range. So if this is checked, external checkbox is checked, then it acts as a external number range. External number range means we need to pick our own number based on these number ranges. Okay. So because it is unchecked, that means it is a internal number range. So if it is checked, then it acts as a external number range. Okay. You can see somewhere for this number range Y1, they have maintained external number. That means, so the number range is from 51 to 90. So there is NR status is 0. That means they have not used this number range at all. So this is a fresh, we can use it. Okay. So if you create a customer, then it will show our first number is 51. So this is a external checkbox, right? That means we need to give our customer number as manually. That means 51 we need to maintain. Okay, so I will show you how we are going to get these numbers and all, and where we need to maintain and these number ranges. Okay, so in real time, so you can able to see what is the current number and what is the latest number they have used and what number we can able to use. But here this is a dummy server, so each and every combinations are used. Okay, so we can't able to create any new number. Okay, you can see 1 to 50 is taken, and you can see from 1 lakh to some 1,99,000 they have used. So you can see. So all the numbers are used. So we can't able to take a particular number, because if you take any number, so it will already used, then system will propose it is already overlap with another number range. Okay, so how we are going to create our own number range means, you can see. So you have to click on this insert line, then whatever the number range you will find, okay, from mine to, then that you need to be maintained. Okay? So you can give any number. So for example, 46 will take. Okay? And number. So for example, 1000, 1002. I want to use 2000. Okay. So I'm giving manually here. If I click on enter, you can see it is proposing interval without overlap. That means it is already overlap with some other number range. Okay. So it is a dummy server. We can't able to create our own number range, but in real time we can able to identify easily. So because if you see the last number like this, okay, for example, in real time I'm explaining about in real time. So if you see the latest number range is from 99, 91 to 99. So the next number you can create from 100 to your two number. So you can save it. So if some other person is going to create, then also he can identify. So simply he can identify and he will go to the insert line and he will give the number range and based on the current number. Okay. So, but it is a dummy server, we can't able to create. So all the numbers has been used. So if we check all the number ranges, then it will take complete session. Okay. So we'll take the existing number range. Okay. So for example, just assume that I have created one number range here. So we'll take some number range, and if you create that number, if you create a customer, so it will propose that number range only. Okay. The internal this already overlap. This 1000 to 2000 is overlap with some other thing. It is. What number? We'll take small numbers because we need to remember the customer numbers as well. So if it is a phone number, means we can't able to remember, right? So we'll just take small numbers. Okay. Okay. So we'll take this one. BS. Someone has been created BS from 4012. Okay. Or else we'll do one thing now. So we'll just short date this one now. We'll 402 will maintain this as we'll take 500. Okay? So 500. So now we can use it. So in real time, we don't change like this, okay? Because already, if I change means it will be escalated. Okay, so in real time, you don't change. It is a dummy server, so I'm just changing it. Okay, so if you got the requirement, then only you need to change. Okay, now I'm going to insert line. Now I can able to create a number. So now I find some number gap. Okay, so I will take some numbers like 46 will take. So we'll maintain 5012, for example, 9999. Just click on enter. Now save it. You can see now it is saved. There is no overlap now. So what is our number range? 46 I have created, right? 5012 999. Okay. So this is our number range. Okay. So I have created, but directly if I create customer, mean does it propose from this number? No. So we need to assign somewhere. Then only it will propose based on this number range, right? So we need to link somewhere, right? So where we need to link means in account group. So in account group, we are having an option called number range. So this number range, if we assign 46 number range, then our customer number will be proposed from this number 5012, this one. Okay. So now what we will do, so after saving this number range 46, okay, so let me maintain our number range. 46 is our number. Okay. So I have created from 5012 999. Now what we will do, we'll go to our account group. Okay, sold to party account group Z100. Okay. Now I'll just go to the account group /n OVT0 is the T code for the account group. Then go to our account group. Now go to the position and search for our account group. What is our account group? Z100. And if you double click on it, so you will find number range. So here it is 20 is there. 20 means, so whatever the 20 number range is there, so from that number, the customer number will be proposed. Okay. So now I have created my own number range, right? That is 46. So that I will assign here. So then if I maintain 46 here, then it will propose the numbers from 46 number range, 46 interval. Okay, that is 5012 99999. Okay, so 46 I have assigned, and that is a also internal number range because I have unchecked the external. So if you check that external, then we need to give manually while creating the customer. Okay, that I will show you later. Okay. Now number range also created in XDL1, and that number range we have assigned in our account 46. Okay. Now the third step is PDP, partner determination procedure. Okay. So PDP, partner determination procedure. So these are all the partner functions: sold to party, ship to party, payer, and bill to party. And these are all the shortcuts of these partner functions. For sold to party is SP and ship to party is SH. For payer, the shortcut is PY. So these terminology will use. I mean, these shortcuts will be used in SAP. Okay. Sold to party. These are the descriptions. Okay. So SP is for sold to party, SH is for ship to party, PY is for payer, and BP is for bill to party. And these for these partner functions, we are having separate our own PDPs, and these are all the standard PDPs. Okay? For sold to party, the standard PDP is AG. For ship to party, the standard PDP is WE. And for payer, the standard PDP is RG. For bill to party, the standard PDP is RE. So now my customer is sold to party. So that means AG is the standard PDP. Now I'm going to create my own PDP. Okay? That is, I'll just add Z. ZAG, you can take. Okay, so you can create any name, but I have taken ZAG. Okay, this is a standard one. So if you want to create your own, you can create ZWE, ZRG. So you need to decide what customer you are creating. So if you are creating sold to party, then you need to create this PDP, WE. Okay, by copying this standard one WE, you can create your own ZW like this. You can give a number. So now we'll do how we are going to do this PDP setup. And this is a very important setup. Okay, so you need to remember this partner determination procedure. Okay, so how we are going to do it? The T code to create PDP is VOPAN, VOPAN. Okay, so now we'll go to VOPAN, or you can use PAR. I will show you the both. Let me go to a screen. /n VOPAN. Okay, so this is a T code for PDP, partner determination procedure. Okay, VOPAN, or else you can use this path SPRO reference IMG. Go to the sales and distribution. Go to the basic function. Go to the partner function, partner determination procedure. You can see partner determination here. Just expand it and click on these IMG activities, setup partner determination. Double click on it. And here, set up partner determination for customer master, because we are doing PDPs for customer master only, right? So we need to double click on it. Now it will open the same screen. So you can see if we go to this screen, so it is showing where is the T code. Transaction, it is showing SPRO, but the T code you can use VOPAN as well. You can use VOPAN and the customer and click on changing. That's it. So it will be open the same screen. VOPAN only, right? VOPAN. This is the same screen. So here in the PDP, so we are having 5 steps here. So that we need to set up it. Just a minute. Okay, so in this PDP, the first step is partner functions. This one is the first one, partner functions. Though we use standard one only in real time, also we'll use standard one. So these partner functions we don't create our own. Okay. So if you want to create, you can copy the standard and you can create, but no one will use the customized partner function. So everyone use the standard partner functions only. So these only SP, SH, PY, BP. This is a universal. Okay. So everyone will use these only SP, SH, PY, and BP. So they will easily remember, right? Sold to party, ship to party, payer, and bill to party. So this is the first step. Okay. So partner function. So if you want to create, you can create your own. So we are not going to create anything. So we will use the standard one only SP, SH, PY, and BP. So we are not going to create. That is the first step. Okay, so I'm not going to create because the standard already exists. So I will use the standard only. Okay, this is the first step. Then the second step is partner determination procedure. This one is the second step. Just double click on it. So it will take you to the partner determination procedure. So I want to create PDP for sold to party, right? So now what is the standard PDP for sold to party? AG. So I am going to create our own as ZAG. Okay? So that will create. You just need to go to the new entry and create ZAG and give the description. PDP for Z100. Company code you can take. So ZAG is already there. Okay. Then what we will do, I will create another one, AGZ. So AGZ will take. Okay. So I'm just adding Z. Okay. It is going to expire in 10 minutes. No need to worry, we'll connect again. Okay. So AGZ. So standard one is AG. So I'm just adding Z. Okay. AGZ will create. Okay. AGZ has been created. Now I'm saving it. This is the second step. Okay. So now what we need to do after creating the second step, we need to select these and we need to double click on this partner function in procedure. Just double click on it. Now go to new entry. Then it will show all your PDBs. AGZ, 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 AGZ. Okay. Now here, what we need to do here, we need to assign our partner functions. Okay. So we have not created our own partner functions, right? We'll use standard partner functions. So we are having 4 standard partner functions: sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. So that partner functions we'll assign. Sold to party, SP, ship to party, SH, payer, PY, and bill to party, BP. Just click on it. Okay. Now you can see this is a description. Now you can see not modifiable option is there and mandatory option is there. Mandatory means if any partner function is missing in your customer master, then system will not allow to save your customer. Okay. These are mandatory. And not modifiable means you can able to see the sold to party customer numbers in the customer master. So not modifiable means you can't able to edit. Okay. So if you uncheck means it is a modifiable. Okay. That means you can edit your customer in the customer master. I will show you after creating a customer. Okay. So you can see, you can observe. So for first one only I have maintained not modifiable. That means it will only display and remaining all unchecked. That means we can able to edit the remaining 4: ship to party, payer, and bill to party. And these are all the mandate. Okay, so you can maintain like this. And I will show you. So now save it. This is the third step. Now we'll go to our fourth step, that is partner determination procedure assignment. Just double click on this partner determination procedure assignment. So here what we need to do, we need to assign our PDP to our account group. Okay, so we have already created our account group and also we already created our PDP. Okay, so what is our account group? Z100. And what is our PDP? AGZ. So these two we need to link. Okay, so here in the fourth step, you just need to go to the position and search for our account Z100. You can see Z100, but here it is maintain the standard PDP. AG is the standard one. So here it is maintain standard one. So now I will maintain my own PDP, right? So because I've already created my own PDP, right? So I'm going to use that. So AGZ is our PDP. Okay, you can see the description PDP for Z100. Just maintain it and click on enter and save it. Okay, this is a fourth step. And the last step is account group function assignment. Just double click on. So here we'll assign our partner functions to our account group. Okay, you just need to go to the new entries here. And what are our partner functions? Sold to party and ship to party and payer and bill to party, right? So these are all the partner functions. These four partner functions, we are going to assign our account group. So, I am doing this PDP for only sold to party. So if you are creating a customer, if you want to create a customer for ship to party, and you need to do the same setup again for ship to party as well. So I am doing for sold to party means I will assign only the account group which is related to sold to party. Okay. So Z100 and Z100. So if you are assigning ship to party, then this PDP setup you need to do again for ship to party. Okay. So account group is Z100. This is for sold to party. Just click on enter and again and again and again and again. So until you see this description, you need to click on enter and save it. Now we have done PDP, right? So now we'll see how many steps we need to create. If you want to create your own customer with your own details, only 3 steps: account group, member range, and PDP. So we have already created. Our account group is Z100 and member range we have taken is 46, right? And partner determination procedure for sold to party we have created AG7. Okay. 10. Okay. So now we can create our own customer based on our details. Okay. What is a T code to create a customer? XD01. Now I will create a customer with my own details. Okay. With whatever the configurations I have done. So based on that, I will. Okay. So XD01 is the T code to create a customer. Okay. So here, this is a customer creation screen. Now you can see whenever you will go to customer creation screen XD01, system will ask account group. So you need to select your account. So randomly you don't pick, right, in real time. So whatever the client's account groups are there, so those account groups only you are going to select. Okay. So now we need to search for our account group. What is your account group? So here is the option you can search. Mention Z100, and if you choose an account group, then it will pop up over here. Z100, sold to party Z100. And you can see our number ranges. So 5012 99999. And status is 0. Now, as of now, it is 0 because it is a new number range. We haven't used it, right? So I want to create a sold to party customer. If you want to create a ship to party, then these account. So I am going to create a Z100. And you can see this external checkbox is unchecked. That means it is an internal number. So if you want external, then check it. Okay. So now double click on your account group. So account group has been selected Z100. And though it is an internal number range, so we are not going to give any number here. So if it is external number, so based on your number range, so for example, just assume that this is the external number range. This is checked. That means you need to give your number manually. So based on this NR status, it is empty, then you can give 501 manually. Here, you need to give manually the number. So if it is an automatically, I mean, if the external is unchecked, then it is called as a automatic number, internal number. Internal number means the number will be proposed automatically based on the NR status. So though it is an internal number, and so we are not going to give any number. So it will propose automatically based on our NR status. Okay, so I am just maintaining blank. Now we need to give our company code. So in which company code you need to create this customer. Okay, Z100 is our company code, and give the sales area. Sales area is nothing but combination of sales or distribution channel and division. Okay, Z1, Z1, and Z1. Just click on enter. Okay, so now you can see it is a, so we are in customer master screen. So you can create your customer details like this. So you can give, I'm just maintaining the mandatory fields only because we don't have much time. So it will disconnect at any time. Only 1 minute we are having. So we'll just complete in 1 minute. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see directly the complete, fields, all the fields. Okay. So it is proposing these numbers. Okay. So now we'll go to company code data, and here we'll maintain reconciliation account 1,40,000 and go to the payment transaction. So here terms of payment 0001, the standard one. So I will explain all these why we are maintaining these things. Now go to sales office, sales group, and customer pricing procedure as 1, and shipping tab, shipping condition 1, delivering plant, and billing document, Incoterms. You can maintain this stuff. Okay, so you can see the partner functions are copied. So you can see the first one is we can't able to edit because we have maintained, right? So it should be display only. We can't able to edit, and remaining all we can able to edit. Okay, like this. These are all the mandatory. You can save. The number will be proposed. 501 is already there. Okay, so 501 already used by someone. Okay, so like this you need to create the customers. Okay, so tomorrow we'll